If you're over 60 and have started adding chia seeds to your morning routine because everyone calls them a superfood, you might want to pause for just a moment. Because while chia seeds can be one of the healthiest foods on the planet, there are hidden dangers that very few seniors know about, and I've seen them firsthand in my patients. You've probably heard that chia seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, calcium, and antioxidants. They're supposed to help lower cholesterol, stabilize blood sugar, improve digestion, and even protect your brain. And that's all true when used correctly. But here's the shocking part. A simple mistake in how you prepare or consume chia seeds can turn this tiny seed into a serious health risk, causing choking, bloating, nutrient imbalance, or even dangerous interactions with common medications that many seniors take every day. As a doctor specializing in senior health, I've seen countless older adults come to me saying, "Doctor, I've been eating chia seeds for months, but I feel more bloated and tired than before." And when I ask how they're using them, the answer is almost always the same. They're making one of the 5 dangerous mistakes I'm about to show you. These mistakes are surprisingly easy to make. They seem harmless, even healthy, but they can quietly damage your digestion, strain your heart, or interfere with your medication in ways you'd never expect. So if you're eating chia seeds daily, or thinking of starting, this video is a must-watch. Because once you learn how to avoid these 5 mistakes, chia seeds can actually work for you, not against you, improving your heart, brain, and energy naturally. Let's begin with the first mistake, and it's the one that sent some seniors straight to the emergency room. This is the number 1 and most dangerous mistake I see seniors making: eating chia seeds dry. At first glance, it seems harmless. You might sprinkle a spoonful on your toast, swallow a scoop with water, or toss a few dry seeds straight into your mouth. But here's what most people don't realize. Chia seeds absorb 10 to 12 times their weight in liquid. The moment those dry seeds reach your throat or stomach, they start swelling rapidly, forming a thick, gel-like coating. And if they haven't been pre-soaked, that expansion can happen inside your esophagus. The result? A sticky, expanding clump that can block your airway or make it extremely difficult to swallow. There are documented cases of older adults ending up in the emergency room because a spoonful of dry chia seeds got lodged in their throat after they took a sip of water. Seniors are especially at risk because swallowing and digestion naturally slow down with age. Even if choking doesn't happen, eating dry chia seeds can still cause severe bloating, discomfort, and constipation, as the seeds pull water from your digestive tract. White heavy checkmark the safe solution. Always soak chia seeds before eating them. Mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with at least half a cup of water or milk and let them sit for 15 to 30 minutes. They'll form a smooth gel that's easy to digest and safe to consume. You can add soaked chia seeds to your morning smoothie, oatmeal, or lemon water. That way, you get the benefits without the danger. Remember this rule: dry chia seeds plus water later equals danger. Soaked chia seeds equals health power. This simple step could literally save your life, and it's the foundation for using chia seeds safely at any age. Here's another big mistake many seniors make, thinking that if chia seeds are healthy, then eating more will bring more benefits. But when it comes to chia, more is definitely not better. Chia seeds are extremely rich in fiber. In fact, just 2 tablespoons contain nearly 10 grams of fiber, which is about 40% of your daily recommended intake. Now, while fiber is essential for good digestion, heart health, and blood sugar control, suddenly eating too much fiber can actually backfire, especially for older adults. When your digestive system isn't used to that much fiber, it can cause bloating, gas, stomach pain, and constipation. And because chia seeds absorb so much water, overconsumption without enough hydration can turn that fiber into a thick gel inside your intestines, slowing everything down and causing serious discomfort. I've seen seniors double or triple their chia intake because they heard it helps with cholesterol or weight loss, only to end up feeling worse, not better. White heavy checkmark the safe solution. Start small. Begin with just 1 teaspoon per day, and let your body adjust. Gradually increase to 1 to 2 tablespoons daily. That's plenty to enjoy the benefits without the side effects. And always drink plenty of water, at least 6 to 8 glasses a day, to keep that fiber moving smoothly through your system. Also, If you already take fiber supplements like psyllium husk, flaxseed, or high-fiber cereals, be sure to reduce them on the days you eat chia seeds. The key to chia's power isn't how much you eat, it's how wisely you eat it. Remember, balance is what keeps the digestive system happy, the heart healthy, and your energy steady. Now this one is extremely important and often overlooked. Many seniors take daily medications for heart health, blood pressure, or diabetes. And while chia seeds are natural and healthy, they can interact dangerously with certain drugs if you're not careful. Let's start with one of chia's most praised nutrients, omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats help reduce inflammation and support heart health, but they also act as a natural blood thinner. That means if you're already taking blood-thinning medications like warfarin, aspirin, or clopidogrel, adding large amounts of chia seeds can increase your risk of easy bruising, bleeding gums, nosebleeds, or even internal bleeding. The same goes for blood pressure medications. Chia seeds can naturally lower blood pressure slightly, which is good, unless you're already taking prescription drugs for it. In that case, your blood pressure could drop too low, leading to dizziness or weakness. And for seniors managing diabetes, chia seeds can help control blood sugar levels, but if combined with insulin or other diabetic medications, it might push your sugar too low, causing shakiness, confusion, or fatigue. White heavy checkmark the safe solution. If you're on any prescription medication, especially for the heart, diabetes, or high blood pressure, always talk to your doctor before adding chia seeds to your diet. Start with small amounts and monitor how your body responds. If you notice unusual bleeding, dizziness, or weakness, stop immediately and consult your physician. Remember, natural doesn't always mean safe for everyone. Even healthy foods can become risky when mixed with medications, especially in older adults. So don't skip this step. Your doctor can help you use chia seeds wisely, so you gain the benefits without the dangers. Many seniors know that chia seeds should be soaked, but here's where things often go wrong. They don't soak them long enough, or they don't use enough liquid. And that simple oversight can completely change how chia behaves inside your body. Chia seeds absorb massive amounts of water, nearly 10 to 12 times their own weight. When they don't have enough liquid before you eat them, they'll start absorbing moisture from inside your stomach. This can cause bloating, constipation, dehydration, or cramping, especially if your digestion has slowed with age. I've seen patients stir chia seeds into thick yogurt or peanut butter, thinking that counts as soaked. Unfortunately, it doesn't. Those foods don't have enough free liquid for the seeds to expand properly. White heavy checkmark the right soaking method. Use a 1:8 ratio, that's 1 tablespoon of chia seeds to about half a cup of water or milk. Let them rest for at least 20 to 30 minutes. During that time, they'll form a smooth gel-like texture. That's when they're safe to consume. You can even leave them overnight for an even softer texture if you're making chia pudding. But don't store them too long. Chia gel kept for more than 24 hours can start to ferment, which can upset your stomach. Also, remember to stir halfway through the soak. This prevents clumping and ensures every seed absorbs liquid evenly. When properly soaked, chia seeds become easier to digest, safer to swallow, and more beneficial overall. Skipping this small step might save you a few minutes, but it can cost you your comfort, hydration, and digestive health. So next time you prepare chia, give it the time it deserves. Your body will thank you for it. Here's a mistake that most people, even health enthusiasts, rarely think about: the quality and source of the chia seeds themselves. Because not all chia seeds are created equal. Many low-quality chia seeds on the market are poorly processed, improperly stored, or even contaminated with pesticides, heavy metals, or mold spores. And for seniors, especially those with weaker immunity or sensitive digestion, that can quietly trigger inflammation, allergies, or toxin buildup over time. I've had patients come in complaining of strange stomach issues, fatigue, or itchy skin, only to discover the problem wasn't chia seeds. It was the cheap, unregulated brand they were using. Here's the truth. Chia seeds are often imported and stored for long periods before they reach your shelf. If they're kept in humid or warm environments, they can develop bacteria or fungi, which may not be visible but can definitely irritate your gut. White heavy checkmark the safe solution. Always buy organic, food-grade chia seeds from a trusted, certified brand. Check for freshness, look at the packaging date and make sure there's no strong odor or clumping inside. Store your chia seeds in an airtight glass container in a cool, dry place, away from sunlight and moisture. Also, whether they're black or white chia seeds doesn't really matter. Both are nutritionally similar. What matters most is purity and freshness. And if you prefer chia oil capsules or ground chia powder, remember they lose omega-3 potency when exposed to heat and light. Whole soaked seeds are always the best way to get the full nutritional benefit. The bottom line: even the healthiest food can become harmful if its quality is compromised. Choose clean, certified chia seeds, because what you put into your body should always be as safe as it is nutritious. Now that you know the 5 biggest mistakes to avoid, let's talk about something even more important: the right way to eat chia seeds safely and effectively. Because when used correctly, chia seeds can truly become one of the most powerful superfoods for seniors, helping with digestion, heart health, brain function, and overall energy. The first and most important step is to soak your chia seeds properly. Always mix 1 tablespoon of chia seeds with about half a cup of water or milk and let them rest for at least 20 to 30 minutes. During this time, the seeds will absorb the liquid and form a smooth, jelly-like texture. That's when they're ready to eat. This process makes chia seeds safer to swallow, gentler on your stomach, and easier to digest. If you're preparing chia water in the morning, simply soak it while you get ready for the day. By the time you're done, it'll be perfect. You can also leave them overnight for chia pudding or smoothies. Next, always combine chia seeds with hydrating foods. Add them to smoothies, yogurt, oatmeal, fruit juices, or even soups. Avoid adding dry chia seeds directly to baked goods or dry snacks, because without enough liquid, they won't expand properly and could cause discomfort later. Portion control is another key. Start small, about 1 teaspoon per day, and gradually increase to 1 or 2 tablespoons once your body adjusts. More isn't better. Your digestive system needs time to adapt to the high fiber content. Since chia seeds hold so much water, it's also critical to drink plenty of fluids throughout the day. Aim for at least 6 to 8 glasses of water daily to support digestion and prevent constipation. If you ever feel bloated or heavy, simply reduce your portion for a few days and see how your body responds. And if you're taking medications for heart health, blood pressure, or diabetes, always keep your doctor informed. A few adjustments can make chia perfectly safe for you. Here's a simple, doctor-approved chia recipe you can try. Take 1 tablespoon of soaked chia seeds, half a cup of almond milk or low-fat milk, half a banana, and a pinch of cinnamon or turmeric. Blend it all together for a delicious, anti-inflammatory morning drink that provides sustained energy without sugar spikes. Lastly, remember to store your chia seeds correctly. Keep them in a cool, dark, and dry place, preferably in an airtight glass jar. And don't leave soaked chia seeds out at room temperature for more than 24 hours. They can ferment and cause stomach irritation. When you follow these simple steps, chia seeds can become a powerful ally in maintaining your heart, brain, and digestive health. The difference between helpful and harmful chia isn't in the seed itself, it's in how you prepare and consume it. Treat these tiny seeds with care, and they'll reward you with strength, balance, and vitality at any age. So, what's the real message behind all of this? Chia seeds can be one of the most powerful natural foods you'll ever include in your diet, but only if you use them the right way. Many people talk about their amazing health benefits, but very few understand that a few small mistakes can completely reverse those benefits. For seniors, those mistakes matter even more because our digestion slows down, our medications become part of daily life, and our body's balance is more delicate. What helps one person thrive could quietly harm another if not used carefully. Eating them dry may seem quick and easy, but it can cause choking or blockages that become serious medical emergencies. Taking too much can overwhelm your digestive system and leave you bloated and constipated. Forgetting to soak them or failing to use enough liquid can make them expand inside your stomach instead of outside, creating discomfort. Mixing them with the wrong medications can change how those drugs work in your body. And using low-quality chia seeds, those that have been poorly processed, stored, or imported, can expose you to chemicals, mold, or toxins that quietly harm your health. But here's the good news. When you soak chia seeds correctly, choose organic quality, and eat them in moderate amounts with plenty of hydration, they can completely transform your health. They can help lower cholesterol, balance blood sugar, improve digestion, and even support your heart and brain as you age. For seniors, this tiny seed can be a gentle, natural support system when treated with respect. So, here's what I want you to do. Starting tomorrow morning, prepare 1 simple glass of chia water the right way. Add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds into half a cup of water. Let it soak for 20 to 30 minutes until it forms a gel. Then add a squeeze of lemon or a slice of cucumber and sip it slowly. Do this consistently for a few days and notice how your body feels. Lighter, more energetic, and more balanced. Health isn't just about taking more supplements or following every new trend. It's about understanding the small habits that make a big difference. And chia seeds are a perfect example of that. Small in size, but mighty in their impact when used wisely. If you found this information helpful, I'd love for you to take a second and support this mission of senior health awareness. Click the like button. It helps this video reach more seniors who need this knowledge. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because every week we uncover more hidden truths about everyday foods that can protect your heart, brain, and body. And please, share this video with your friends or family who use chia seeds regularly, because a simple mistake can be avoided with just a little awareness. I'm Dr. Your Name, reminding you that good health after 60 isn't about doing more, it's about doing things smarter. Your body is always speaking to you, all you need to do is listen. Stay safe, stay strong, and stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video with another powerful health truth every senior deserves to know.